If you think bell peppers are annual plants that burn out after one season, you've been taught wrong. Bell peppers are tropical perennials by nature. They only behave like annuals because cold, poor soil and stress kill them early. Growing peppers in large containers is the foundation of infinite harvests. Peppers that never stop producing live or die by soil quality. Start with a high-quality potting mix designed for containers. Compost doesn't just feed the plant. It feeds the microbes that deliver nutrients directly to pepper roots. Bell peppers demand sunlight. 6 to 8 hours of direct sun is the minimum, but more is better as long as temperatures stay between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep soil consistently moist, never soggy. Organic mulch is not optional if you want infinite harvests. A thick layer of straw or wood chips regulates temperature, locks in moisture and protects soil microbes from heat stress. As mulch breaks down, it feeds the soil automatically, extending fertility without digging or tilling. You know, frequent light feeding keeps peppers productive. As peppers age and produce more fruit, their branches, well, they tend to weaken. A supported plant can hold far more fruit without stress, and that, quite simply, directly increases your harvest volume. You know, leaving ripe peppers on the plant actually signals it to slow production. So it's best to harvest regularly, even if the fruits aren't fully coloured yet. By removing fruit, you redirect the plant's energy into producing new flowers, which can, well, extend the production cycle almost indefinitely. And if you harvest peppers while they're still green, don't worry. Ripening continues off the plant. Before the first frost arrives, it's best to move your containers indoors or into a protected area, you know. Be sure to inspect the leaves carefully for aphids or mites and remove any pests before bringing the plants inside. Growth does slow down, but the plant stays alive, ready to get a head start come spring. While others are planting seedlings, your plant is already flowering. This head start is why yields explode year after year. Digging breaks fungal networks, damages roots, and resets soil biology. Over time, roots, microbes and organic matter you know come together to form a stable ecosystem that supports continuous production. It's really quite remarkable how all these elements work in harmony. With proper care, one bell pepper plant can produce for 3 to 5 years or more. Each season builds on the last instead of starting over. This is how small-space gardeners harvest like farms. If this changed how you see peppers, subscribe to Nature's Blueprint.